A real appointment needs a connection, a clear way to meet, because your clients need certainty. Will they join a video call, walk into your office, or connect via a link on another platform? In this video, I'll discuss the ways to host an appointment for your service, so that at the end, you can decide which one will be the best fit for your needs. As you can see, I already have a few calendars ready. Let's open one up and take a quick look. Everything is set. Now, despite being in the free version, I have quite a few options to take appointments from my clients. For this calendar, I have set the location in-person meeting. In case I don't want that, phone number is also handy in many cases. Additionally, you can also paste an online meeting link from any platform or choose custom options if you prefer something else. Well, if you are offering services globally, you will probably want options like Google Meet, Zoom, or Microsoft Teams. And the good news is, FluentBooking has it all. You just need the Pro plan to use these integrations. Since I already have the Pro version installed, I'm just going to activate it. Now, when I open the location settings, I can instantly see the three major platforms available to integrate with the calendar. And this is where things get exciting, because each of them has its own strengths. For example, if you are already using Gmail and Google Calendar all day, then Google Meet just feels natural. But if you are running coaching sessions, webinars, or larger professional calls, Zoom usually wins the trust game. With breakout rooms, reliable performance, and all those advanced features, it's built for that. Well, I have been using Microsoft Teams for a long time, and it works beautifully for business use. That's why I'll show you how to integrate it with FluentBooking and get it synced with Outlook Calendar. First step, to choose MS Teams under the location settings and tap on this. That takes you straight to the remote calendar sync settings page, where you simply need to click the connection button. The next part is to sign in with your Microsoft account. As of now, I have already logged in, so all I need to do is just approve the permissions. Okay, as you can see, I'm redirected to the calendar settings page. Here I'll pick the Outlook calendar I want to sync and enable the checkbox to monitor conflicts, so I don't run into double bookings. From now on, every booking will automatically create a Teams link and show up in my calendar. Simple and seamless. Okay, setup's done. Let's try booking a slot. I'll pick a date and time. Add the details and click schedule meeting. Awesome. It's working perfectly, and it doesn't stop there. If someone needs to reschedule or even cancel, everything updates right away. So your appointments and calendars stay in sync. And with that, you have got the full picture. The real question isn't which platform is the best overall. It's which one's the best fit for you. No matter what you pick, FluentBooking makes it all seamless. It's a proper appointment management system right inside your WordPress. In the next module, I'll move into the payments. And trust me, you don't want to miss that one. See you there.